Okay, let's start with the transaction. The first transaction is to release the sales order that we have created, 66440. When you release, you have to select the cross dock only. Allocation should be from cross dock. I'll show you where it is. So let's go ahead and release. I'll copy the sales order number. Okay, let's go ahead and release the order. Release of order can be done. We can do it from warehouse manager. So once you're there in the warehouse manager, go to outbound logistics and then release. You put your order number here, 66439. Okay, I think it's not. Oh, sorry, it's a different number. It's 66440. Okay, 66440. Okay, go to your organization, put the org code BW1. This is the allocation method. You must select cross-dock only, or you can also do prioritize cross-dock as well. You can also select prioritize inventory. So in this case, only cross-dock item, that means incoming supplied, which is material in receiving, and approved purchase order will be only used for allocating the material to this order. Whereas if you do prioritize inventory, first it will select from the inventory, and if there is anything left which is still unfulfilled or unallocated, then it will go and look for cross-dock. And this is just the reverse. First cross-dock and then the available on-hand quantity. So I'm using cross-dock only flag, and that's it. Otherwise you don't need to do any other things. You can go ahead and release this. Optionally you can delete it, but that's okay. Okay, once you run, you have to watch out for the program, how they complete. Okay, so the program is completed now. So let's check couple of things. Copy this order number. So first we'll go to the shipment planning and transaction to check what is the status of the line. So this is the line is planned for cross-dock, and next is the receive cross-dock supply. So we copy this. Planned for cross-dock is the line status. So here you can see once you release the order, the line status we have to note, and this is planned for. It's not released yet. It's gone for planned for cross-dock. Second, other few things you can do is at this point you can go to reservation and check how this both demand and supplies are linked. So here FG3 include cross-dock, and you search, you see it's a cross-dock for 66440 is cross-docked with pending cross-dock, and you can see the supply here, the purchase order 6048, and this is the supply that we have created. So the status is mapped. Next step would be to go ahead and perform this transaction in MSCA. So let's open the MSCA screen, go to the inbound, receive, purchase order receiving, and PO number. PO number is 6048. So 6048 PO number, line number 1, FG3. We do an LPN creation here, Control G. Just remember 78A. Make sure you provide this to sub inventory, which is receiving and receiving locator, and the quantity is 10. So undo the done button, 78A, and complete the receipt. So this is complete. Let's go back to the steps. Once you complete this step, we have to, there would be an automatic task creation in the warehouse control board. So let's go to the control board and see is there any task created. So here is the control board. You can select the cross-dock and select the pending. You can put your item FG3 and find. Sometime it takes 30 minutes or so, 30 seconds or so to get the task reflected here. Now you can see the task is there to complete, and this you can maximize this for 10 quantity. right? So we can go ahead and complete this task. This is a reference to the sales order. This is delivery number, and here you can find the sales order number. So all right, so this task we are going to complete now. You can scroll right, just see what is the status. This is a planned task, right? So we'll go ahead and complete this task. Now this is the put away task, so we generally do through the task, manual task, and go to directed move and then move any LPN. Our LPN was 78A, so we select and drop. Now when I'm going to drop, it's going in the staging location. So this is the cross-dock example. Instead of this LPN going into bulk or case sub-inventory, it's directly going into the staging sub-inventory. So from RCV to the staging, that's the cross-dock meaning. Let's just to recap, this is what is happening here from RCV to straight away to the staging location. My staging location in the application is STA. So that's what is happening. I'm going to confirm this movement. Before I confirm, I think one more thing we have to check the sales order line status. So let me go back to this application. Let's open the shipment planning and transaction screen. I think it's already open. Yeah. So it was earlier planned for cross-dock. I'm going to refresh this now. So it's released to warehouse. And the moment I perform this task, it will go to the picked and staged status. So let's see. So I'm going to perform this drop LPN now. So I went to that screen to show you the different statuses of the order. So it was earlier planned for cross-dock. When I receive this LPN, it's gone into release to warehouse, and when I'm delivering this LPN into the staging lane, it will be pick confirmed. So let's complete this transaction. This task is completed. We can go back and refresh this screen. It will move from release to warehouse to picked status. So say it's gone for picking. Now it's the rest of the process is ship confirm. You can do LPN shipping and the line will be closed. So this was the quick demo of all of the planned cross-dock steps. So we can summarize the different statuses of the line, how it moves. So that was an important part. So first it was gone to planned for cross-dock, something like that, and then it moved to release to warehouse. This is our normal case, and then from here it goes to pick confirm staged or pick confirm the status, right? And different planned for cross-dock happens when you do release sales order. When you do that, then you get this status. And release to warehouse comes when you actually create LPN, receipt transaction, let's call it a receipt transaction. And pick confirm is come when you do the deliver transaction, right? So these are the different statuses that a sales order is moving, and we have written the action point also when it actually moves, what drives this movement. So when you do the release sales order, this go this. When you do the receipt creation, it will go to this status, and we do the deliver transaction or move any LPN. Through that you do the deliver. That's where you get the pick confirm, and then next you can do the ship confirm. That's the next step to close the sales order line. So at this stage, planned cross-dock is complete, and these are the different status setups that I've used. There are 3 videos for all of the entire planned cross-dock. So thank you for watching this video.